Hi, Matt Byer of Matt Byer Organizing. More and more people are working from home these days, and there are a lot of advantages that go with it, including maybe working outside on a beautiful day like this. But then you get outside with your laptop and you realize maybe this wasn't such a good idea after all. Find that nature interferes, and you keep running inside for things that you need. The solution comes from having two different plans. First, there is the outdoor plan. Have a simple solution for blocking out the sun. And keep versatile furniture outside that you don't worry about. This is one of those TV tables. And always keep a trash can outside. Don't think you won't need it. Second is the indoor plan. If it takes 30 steps to get outside, you're not going to do it. So minimize the steps. I use a simple box from Staples. It's got a place to keep supplies you use all the time up here. I also have this indoor inside hanging thing where I keep extra supplies. Got my timer in here. And I just put in my task collector right in. Ongoing project, water, phone, close it up, grab my laptop, I'm ready to go. Setup should take less than a minute. Laptop. You get my task collector right out. Ready to go. Water. Phone. Time timer. And a selection of favorite office tools. I'm going to go there, and just like that, I'm ready to get to work. I also like to have a 2x4 folding table to spread my projects out on. Don't forget a paperweight to keep your papers from blowing away in the wind. I like to use a level. And I use my carrying box so that I have the option to work standing up. So remember the two ingredients for making working outside possible. Control the environment with simple, carefree solutions, and make a plan for a dedicated outdoor working kit. Make it easy and you make it happen. So that's it. I know you've got a lot of work to do, so if you can, get outside and seize the day.